Hi everybody, another Tasmota video for you today. This time I want to show you how to easily upgrade the firmware on your Tasmota devices. This is by far the simplest way. So if you look at here, I'm on my web interface to one of my Tasmota devices. At the bottom there it shows you the current version. So this is 9.3.0. If you look on the Tasmota site, there is an upgrade flow path if you're on an older version, but anything above 9.1 you can do with a very simple over-the-air upgrade. So I'll show you how to do that. So back on the Tasmota homepage, just click on the menu item there called Firmware Upgrade, just a quick left click, and then on this top one here, there's an OTA or over-the-air URL, which will always update you to the latest release. So very simply, just click on Start Upgrade, and then just give that a few seconds. That will need to download the latest binary and then install, and then it will reboot and you'll be presented with the main menu again. So we just wait for that. So that's been done. It says minimal firmware upgrade. All we need to do is a quick restart and confirm. And that's it, all done. If we just go to the bottom, we can see the upgrade now is on the latest release 14.3.0. So really simple thing to do over the air. One thing I would do though, I'd always recommend before you do the upgrade to always do a backup of your configuration, which you can do if you go into configuration menu, and then there's a menu item at the bottom there that says backup configuration. I'll leave a link in the video description to another video that I did on how to do a backup and restore settings. Anyway, I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and maybe even hitting that notification bell so we see each other in another video. Take care, everybody.